Midwest High-Speed and Low-Speed Repair Guide by Repair.Dental Technician. Midwest handpieces have earned a reputation for their reliability, durability, and precision. With a significant presence in both the USA and Canada markets, these handpieces are favored by dental professionals for their cutting-edge technology and ergonomic design, but requires periodic maintenance and repairs to ensure peak performance. High-speed handpieces are indispensable in dental procedures that demand precision and speed. To keep these instruments spinning smoothly, regular maintenance and repairs are essential. Repair.Dental offers comprehensive high-speed repairs for Midwest handpieces, addressing issues such as turbine replacement, chuck replacement, bearings and O-rings, thorough cleaning. Low-speed handpieces play a vital role in various dental procedures, providing versatility and precision. Repair.Dental's low-speed repairs for Midwest handpieces encompass such as replacement of bearings, O-rings, seats, and all necessary parts, thorough cleaning, testing under load, motor/rotor housing replacement. Repair.Dental's comprehensive high-speed and low-speed repair services for Midwest handpieces ensure that these crucial tools continue to spin smoothly, contributing to the precision and efficiency of dental procedures. For any repair or quick solution, do contact Repair.Dental or contact us at +1 1-855-533-3399. Do like, share and comment down below.